Hello, this is the lesson number 4. While I was offline, I did create two class, the class connection and the class data access object. The class connection will allow us to go to the database and send information from our interface to the database. You have here the drive of mysql. You have also the address and the name of our database. You have only to copy this class, and if you want to know more things about this class, you can use Google, copy and paste the name of the class. Example, if you want to know what the class drive manager does, you have to copy this class, go to Google and paste it, and you will find so much information about this class. Okay, coming back here in our code, I have the class to connect to our database, and we have here the class which we call data access object, which we are going to use to write all methods, all functions, to do all things that we have and we want to do with the database. Example, to insert an information, to delete, and to look for something. The first function which we are going to do is the function to insert a contact in our database. Then let us do this function. Public boolean insert. We are going to need the name and also the number. Boolean return. Firstly, it will be false. We have to have here a try catch so that we can find out if a mistake takes place. To insert something in our database using SQL, we have to write insert into. Then here we have to do the same thing. But firstly, we have to use the object of statement class, execute update, and here we have to write insert into contacts. We have to put also the name of the fields, name and phone. And finally, we have to put the values, name and numbers. Okay, after that, we have to say that the return must be true. But if a mistake takes place, the return must be false. Okay, our function is already created. Now we have to come here in our form and we have to say when we click in insert button here, firstly we have to create an object of DAO class of okay, and we have to say if that access object found dot insert that access object dot insert the name get tasks and also the font field get tasks. If it is true, we have to say that the contact is inserted. jobjapan.show message dialog inserted. But if it is false, we have to say not inserted. Not inserted. Okay, let us finish this video, but first let me see how it is working. If we find a mistake, we are going to solve it in the next video. Okay, let me write here a name. Let me write here the name of my brother and something like that. Okay, we found here a mistake. The driver was not found. We are going to solve this in the next lesson. Thank you very much to see this video and see you next time.